Large furnace on down there in that wood/twig base.
We can get in there, dude.
Yeah, we can.
It's active players, though. Just...
Question is, do you want... Oop. Right below me, there's a guy with a fucking wolf headdress, dude. Where you at?
Yeah, I see him. I see him. I'm to your left.
Can you see him? Oh, is he looking at us?
Yeah, he's looking at.
Should we go
I'm
push
behind
him?
you.
Oh, he's running? He's running away. You want to go down there?
He doesn't. I don't think he sees. He's just planted some.
Alright, let's
someone's
fucking
building
go.
in there.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's
Someone's
go.
building the roof.
Let's get down in there, dude. Let's get down in there.
Um,
They have to put grates and all kinds of shit up first. Hey, fuck, we don't have any wood, dude.
Fuck, let me go hit a tree. A little further so they don't see us.
Yeah. Crafting a fucking thing.
I had a plan going. If
Yeah, let's just both have one in case. I got 400 wood, I think I'm good with that. I got 20 seconds on my plan though still.
500. Same, 20 seconds. Get more wood, just... Get all the reason. Are you pushing up?
I'm right next to this house.
Okay. Alright, bud. This is a come up or we're fucked. You can build fast, so I suck at building.
Oh, he's upgrading right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we just get up on top of this fucking thing, man.
We check the... Grab the furnace, cover the door over, and come up through our... Oh my god, I shit on that kid with the semi... Fucking quadruple head. I'm healing.
That guy's dead? I killed one.
Okay, I'm healing. Are you dead?
No, I'm not dead, but I'm hurting. He's stuck in there. Shoot his ass.
Killed him.
Alright.
I need him. How many med pens do you have?
Few. How many you need? 2?
I'm good, I'm good. There's someone outside, cover the breach.
Yeah, we need to get back to the breach. He's hitting me, I'm 21.
Okay, go down. Are you outside?
I'm down, I'm good. We need to find that guy's body. He had the fucking semi-rifle. I got his fucking bullets.
I fell.
I don't see his gun.
On the ground. They're fucking quad. Putting his sheet metal armor.
You see that semi-rifle?
Has to be down here, dude. Don't just...
Did it fall into the house, you think? Oh, I got it. It's right here, Do you have any room?
No. I got room.
Alright, let's go.
Do you have any ammo?
Oh, I got 40. You need it?
Drop it in front of you and I'll grab it.
Woo! You don't even want to know what I got for the furnace, dude.
Oh, what'd you get?
5,500 metal ore.